Hi, everyone. This is Rob with Federal Apostille. Today, we're going to tackle one of the most common questions we get from clients applying for Colombian visas: how to make your FBI background check visa ready for Colombia. Now, if you've looked into this already, you've probably seen terms like apostille, translation, notarization, and authentication. It can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news: Colombia's visa system is 100% digital. You don't need to worry about mailing physical paperwork, getting notarizations, or standing in line at an embassy. Everything can be handled with PDFs and uploaded directly to Cancilleria's online portal. Let's start with the bird's eye view. The process comes down to 4 simple steps. First, request your FBI background check. Second, get the apostille from the U.S. Department of State. Third, translate both the FBI report and the apostille into Spanish using a certified translator. And fourth, upload everything to Cancilleria's visa portal. That's it, 4 steps. So why does Colombia require an FBI background check? The Ministry of Foreign Affairs wants to confirm you don't have a serious criminal record in the United States. This requirement applies to many visa categories: marriage visas, retirement visas, investment visas, work visas, and more. And the beauty of Colombia's process is that it's all digital. No consulate visits, no mailing originals, just PDFs uploaded online. Step 1. Request your FBI background check. Use the FBI's official online system or an approved channeler. Always choose the digital PDF version. It's faster, and it's exactly what Colombia accepts. Depending on how you apply, you could have your results in just a few days. Step 2. Obtain the apostille. Since the FBI background check is a federal document, only the U.S. Department of State can apostille it. For Colombia, you don't need the paper version. A scanned PDF of the apostille is accepted in the visa portal. If you go the mail-in route, it takes 5 to 6 weeks. With our expedited service, we usually complete this in about 10 business days. And remember, don't notarize or translate your FBI report before this step. The apostille only applies to the original report. Step 3. Certified Spanish translation. Both the FBI report and the apostille must be translated into Spanish by a certified translator in Colombia. Translation usually costs between $50 and $150 per page and can be done in 2 to 5 business days. Notarization isn't required, just the certified translation. Step 4. Submitting to Cancilleria. Once you have your FBI report, apostille, and translations, you log into Colombia's visa portal and upload the PDFs. Make sure everything is legible, in the right format, and labeled clearly. Then you submit your application and pay the visa fee online. Cancilleria will review your documents, and if anything's missing, they'll let you know. Here's your final checklist. 1. FBI report in PDF. 2. Apostille in PDF. 3. Certified Spanish translations. And 4. Successful upload to Cancilleria's system. Let's cover some final tips and common mistakes. Don't request a paper FBI report. Choose digital. Don't notarize your FBI report. It's not valid for federal apostille. Don't translate before getting the apostille. Double-check Cancilleria's latest requirements because they can change. And finally, give yourself enough time. Depending on the speed of each step, this can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. So here's the conclusion. Colombia's process is more modern than most countries. If you follow the steps, FBI report, apostille, translation, upload, you'll have a package that meets Cancilleria's standards and keeps your application moving smoothly. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Send us a quick message on WhatsApp at +1 202 900 0877. That's +1 202 900 0877. We'll confirm the steps for your specific visa type, make sure you're on track, and save you from costly mistakes. I'm Rob with Federal Apostille. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your Colombia visa journey.